Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need two things right away: a widget-capable launcher and a photo app that provides a widget. Once you confirm Android 11 or newer, open Settings and grant Photos storage and widget permissions. Then, long press your home screen and choose Widgets. Do not add shortcuts yet. Locate the Photo app's widget entry. Google Photos lists a Frames widget, while third-party apps may show custom tiles. Tap and hold the widget to start placement. This begins the only supported path to a true photo widget. Once the widget is on screen, you must configure its source and behavior. Tap the widget or use the app's widget settings to choose a specific album, single photo, or a dynamic album. Make sure to set shuffle interval and cache size. Smaller cache reduces storage use but may delay updates. Resize the widget by dragging corners so your photos crop correctly. Keep aspect ratio in mind. If the app offers offline syncing, enable it for reliable display when network is absent. To finish, verify photos appear and update as expected. If not, take a structured troubleshooting step. First, force stop and reopen the photo app, then reselect the album inside widget settings. If still blank, clear app cache and disable battery optimization for that app because aggressive sleep can prevent widget refresh. Once done, reboot the device and re-add the widget if needed. One key tip: check the app's permission for background data and storage. Without those, the widget cannot load images reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.